Variables in shell scripts are similar to variables in programming languages. They store data and can be used to reference that data later. In a shell script, each variable has a name and an associated value. The general format for assigning a value to a variable is this: the variable underscore name should start with a letter or an underscore symbol, followed by letters, numbers, or underscores. No spaces should appear around the equal symbol. By convention, many scripts use uppercase for variable names, but lowercase is also allowed. For example, this script assigns hello world to the variable my_var and then uses echo to print its value. To access the value stored in a variable, prefix the variable name with a dollar symbol, like $my_var. This tells the shell to replace $my_var with its value. Here's an example to demonstrate how a variable can be used in a shell script. Create a new script called script1. When you run the script, the output will be: this example assigns the text, shell scripting, to the variable var1 and then uses the echo command to print the value. If a variable's value contains spaces, you should enclose the value in double quotes to preserve the spaces. For instance, when you run this script, the output will be: in the C shell, CSH, variables are defined differently using the set command. For example, spaces around the equal sign are allowed in the C shell, unlike in Bourne shell, SH. You can combine multiple variables within a script to build up more complex output. Here's an example: this script outputs. You can also store commands themselves in variables. For example, running this script will list the contents of /usr/local. This technique is helpful when writing cross-platform scripts where different systems might use different commands for the same task. By using variables to store commands, you can easily adapt your script to work across various systems. That's all about variables in shell scripting. See you in the next tutorial.